Beyond the exchanging of ideas, we talk to move people. Hi, this is Liz. Welcome to the first episode of Lisa, Less Mistake. Derived from the Let's Talk, Less Mistake, I am sharing thoughts to bring comfort in fewer words. And our first word is mistake. Bakit ito ang panimula? Because we are often so afraid of making them. Lahat tayo takot magkamali. We worry about failing, looking foolish, or making the wrong move. Kaya minsan mas pinipili na lang natin huwag sumubok. But here's the shift. A mistake is not a dead end. It's just data. It is a proof at sumusubok ka. Lumalaban ka at may natutunan ka. Huwag mong hayaan ng isang maling hakbang ay magbura sa lahat ng tamang direksyon na tinatahak mo. True growth doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from having the courage to dust off and try again. No ang key takeaway natin dito. Ang pagkakamali ay part lang ng proseso, hindi ng pagkatao mo. So, don't let the fear of a mistake hold you back from starting today. Para sa ating mga viewers, ano ang isang bagay na sinisimulan mo kahit natatakot ka? Well, ako, takot pero sinumulan ko ito to inspire. Let's talk in the comments. Pakisuyo rin kung saan lugar ninyo napanood ang video na ito. Thanks for watching our first episode. Do not lose hope on our next episode and be reminded that Liz talk, Liz mistake. Bye!